If you've recently bought an Easyshed workshop or garage shed, you'd notice that these two aren't like the smaller gables. Let's look at what makes them different. As larger storage kits, these come with a portal frame kit to complement the bigger structure. The portal frame adds strength to your shed's core with thick, sturdy and durable purlins and brackets. Think abs, but on a shed. You're probably thinking, would be great if I could get this for my regular gable shed, and the best part is, you can. We made a portal frame kit accessory option available for compatible gable models. Fully optional for customers looking for that extra oomph for their medium-sized gable sheds. Looking to turn your gable into a home gym, loading up your shed with wall shelves, or maybe you just want an on-site bomb shelter? No worries. Whatever your vibe, we say build boldly. This kit takes your able gable to the next level. Best thing about it is you can install the portal frame kit at any point during or after the shed assembly. With a portal frame kit, your shed will do more than just last. Best able gable sheds in the market made better? Say less.